Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my third video lecture of lesson 5 in civics, and the topic is Panchayati Raj. This chapter has been taken from class 6. In my previous video, as I have discussed you about the case study of Hardas village and the various problems of Hardas village, through which we tried to know about the importance of Gram Panchayat or Gram Sabha. In addition to this chapter, today I am going to discuss you about the work of Gram Panchayat or Gram Sabha and the sources of fund, how it earns to maintain its management. Now today we are going to study about Gram Panchayat, its works and its sources of funds. Do you know? The meeting of the Gram Panchayat is held on regularly. It means it meets regularly. It means regularly. Now we come to the work. The main work or task of the Gram Panchayat is to implement development programs for all villages coming under it. As we have studied, it means we have already studied that the work of Gram Panchayat is approved by the Gram Sabha. As we know, our country India is divided into states. In some states, Gram Sabhas form committees like construction and development committees. And these committees have some members of the Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat. It means these committees include some members of the Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat. These members of Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat work together to do a specific tasks or carry a specific tasks. So now we come to the important works of a Gram Panchayat. What are the important works of a Gram Panchayat? It is very necessary to know for us, know to us. So now we come to important works of Gram Panchayat. First of all, we should care on the work of Gram Panchayat is to construct and maintain. It means it constructs and maintain water resources, roads, drainage, school buildings, and other common property resources. Second, it levies and collects local taxes. And third important work of the Gram Panchayat is executing government schemes that are related to generating employment in the village. Now we come to know about the sources of funds. What are the important sources of funds for a panchayat? Yes, for the panchayat, when we study about its sources, first of all, we find collection of taxes on houses, marketplaces, etc. So this is the first source of funds for the Gram Panchayat, to collect taxes on houses and marketplace. Second source of funds is that government schemes funds. It means government scheme funds that are the sources of its funds, because these schemes funds are received through various departments of the government, for example through the Janpad and Jila Panchayat. So these are the important sources of funds for the panchayat, it means gram panchayat. Third sources of its fund is donations. Yes, donations for community works, etc. Now we will try to understand what the gram panchayat is able to do through the case study of the Hardas gram panchayat. Try to recall the options that were suggested to solve the water problem in the Gram Sabha of the Hardas village. In the meeting of Hardas village, it means Hardas Gram Panchayat, this point was kept again by Panch, and this meeting was attended by the Sarpanch, ward members that are also called Panch, and the secretary. As we have studied in Hardas village that Gram Panchayat members first discussed the suggestions to deepen 2 hand pumps and clean one well so that the village would not go without water. And then Sarpanch, who is also known as Panchayat President, suggested that some money for maintenance of hand pumps that could be used for completing the work of, it means this work. At this suggestion the members agreed, and finally the secretary recorded their decisions. So like this the members went on to discuss the options for a long-term solution, and a lot of discussion followed on it. Like this, finally it was decided that the Gram Panchayat would approach the BDO. Do you know what is the full form of BDO? Yes, Block Development Officer. So finally it was decided that the Gram Panchayat would approach the Block Development Officer and get more information on the scheme. After the case study of Hardas village, now we come to know about Panchayati Raj. It means what is the Panchayati Raj, and under this topic we will also study about the different level of panchayat. Yes, so first of all we try to know what is the Panchayati Raj. The Panchayati Raj system is a process through which people participate in their own government. It means the Panchayati Raj is a system which is a process through which people participate in their own government. The Panchayati Raj system is the first tier. Try to keep in your mind. The Panchayati Raj system is the first tier or level of the democratic government. So what is the first tier of or level of democratic government? You will say Panchayati Raj. So Panchayati Raj is that system which is the first tier or level of democratic government. The Panch and the Gram Panchayat are answerable to the Gram Sabha. Who are answerable to the Gram Sabha? Yes, the Panch and the Gram Panchayat. The Panch and the Gram Panchayat are answerable to the Gram Sabha. Why? Because it is the members of the Gram Sabha who elected them. So this idea of people's participation in the Panchayati Raj system extend to 2 other levels. One is the block level, which is called the Janpad Panchayat or the Panchayat Samiti. The Panchayat Samiti has many Gram Panchayats under it. Above the Panchayat Samiti is the District Panchayat or the Jila Parishad. The Jila Parishad actually makes development plans. at the district level with the help of Panchayat Samitis. With whose help? With the help of Panchayat Samitis. It also regulates the money distribution among all the Gram Panchayats. Within the guidelines given in the constitution, each state in the country has its own laws with regards to panchayats, and the idea is to provide more and more a space for people to participate and raise their voices. So like this we have studied about Panchayati Raj system, and now you have to study your chapter. Thank you, have a nice day. Try to solve your exercise.